Andrzej Pepłowski from CEZAMAT in Poland, and he will speak about biomedical wearables. So Andrzej, please, stage is yours.
Thank you for the introduction. As Marco said, I'm from CEZAMAT. It's a subunit of Warsaw University of Technology, and I wanted to share a bit of the experience I've got over more than 10 years developing biomedical wearables. So I know the topic of wearables is pretty broad. With the recent reports, the so-called hearables are a new hot thing, and they refer to like ordinary headphones, but also inter-ear devices. But I will focus solely on biomedical sensors and wearable applications thereof. And I myself had an experience developing glucose sensors, ECG patches, as well as wound pH sensor and various physical activity biomechanical devices. So I will circle back to that at the end of the presentation, but I wanted to start with a little bit of introduction that refers to me taking a philosophy course as a supplementary discipline during my PhD studies. And not to bore you down with the fantastic details of the paradigm shift theory, I just wanted to refer one of the most widely known paradigm shifts, namely the shift from Ptolemaic solar system model. As you can see, probably it's quite bright here, but you can see the still Earth surrounded by orbiting stars and planets. So we all know that currently that's not the accepted paradigm. We use Copernican model, and this illustrates very well what the paradigm shift is. The paradigm shift is adopting a different view, because there's nothing wrong with this picture. We all see it when we look to the sky, but this model helps to ask questions you won't ever think of when you would have been thinking in the Ptolemaic paradigm. So the guy who described it was actually a postdoc at Harvard Physics, and he came to a conclusion, looking back at the whole history of science, that when the new anomalies and discoveries are rising up, there are a lot of solutions that compete to bring discontent to settle down. It indicates we are having a transition to a new paradigm. And as I said, I've been developing the biomedical wearables for more than a decade now, and I hope to take part in the revolution in the healthcare. I'll just name the few advantages in a minute, but I have to admit that this great opportunity ultimately failed, at least for me. I don't know about you, but in my opinion, that's not what I've been signing for when I've read the first publications of smart patches and sweat sensors and non-invasive monitoring that would improve quality of life of patients, that will bring a new balance to the healthcare system. And from the economical reports, I wasn't the only one to believe so. The increasing number of clinical trials and the pretty great annual